Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online, Affiliate Profit Pages. I have a really cool program for you today. This is going to be copy and paste to $800 commissions. And you're going to be going, what are you talking about, Glenn? Seriously, guys, this is so simple. I'm actually going to give you all the tools. I'm going to show you how the whole system works, and literally you could be making $800 per sale, or potentially you could go up to $1,200 per sale if you really get busy and do 5 sales in the first month. And I can show you how to do this. It won't cost you. Usually this program is very expensive. It's $3,000 to get into, or it's $2,000 if you watch the webinar. Now the program is definitely worth it. It's worth about $40,000. So if you're looking for a done for you program, it's an amazing program. But if you just want to be an affiliate for it, I'm going to show you an exact way how to do it. So what is it? It's a product by Richard Legg. A very cool product. It's been going for quite a while. It's a totally evergreen product. And you're able to make high ticket commissions on it by sending a very small amount of traffic. And how I want to show you how to do it is I'm going to give you the tools that I'm using to do it, and they're working out amazingly well. You're able to build your list and do it. So here's the steps. So I want you to go to, I'm going to show you the page I want you to go to. Where is it here? I want you to go over to Affiliate Profit Pages, and let me show you what it's going to look like. So this is Affiliate Profit Pages. You want to go here and you want to put in your email. Now, when you put in your email address, you're going to be taken to this page here. And I want to give you this page because this page is converting like crazy, guys. So what happens is they put in their email. They want to learn how to make $1,000 per day with this program. Now, this is actually a full funnel, which I'm going to give to you to lead into a couple of other programs that are very lucrative, all like ClickBank programs and stuff like that. But this particular one is when you get to this page, I want you to click here, and I want you to basically go watch that webinar. It's about 45 minutes long. It's very cool. You get a free gift. You get a free thing. It also tells you about the product so you can understand exactly what the product is. Now, once you've done that, I want you to email me. You're going to get emails from me. Make sure you check your emails. But I want you to email me, and I'm going to show you the way that you're able to promote that webinar without actually buying the product if you don't want to. Like I said, if you've got the money and you're looking for something that's going to really, make you a ton of money online, this is an amazing product because you're going to get trained. And Richard gives like a 12-month guarantee. Like seriously, guys, like if you don't make money by the end of 12 months, he's going to buy the program back from you, or he's going to work with you until you start making money. So this program is it's kind of like a no-brainer. So you definitely want to watch this webinar. Email me, and I'm going to show you how to become an affiliate. I'm going to show you how I'll give you this page, which also has this page in it. If you want me to help you set it up and put your links in this page, that is no problem. I will help you set all this up and set up the whole funnel. And also, guys, when you get this page here, you're going to get about, I think there's now about 30 of my top producing landing pages for different ClickBank products, different JVZoo products, different Warrior Plus products. They're landing pages where you're able to just you get them all, right? And you're able to just put in your autoresponder. I recommend Aweber, and you'll be able to promote it, build your list and promote it. Now you're going, well, where am I going to get this traffic from? Now, there's two ways to get traffic. You can get traffic on social media. I personally, guys, people love to advertise on Facebook, and like not advertise, but post in this sort of spam groups on Facebook. And here, let me jump back on here. Oh, come on, there I am. I don't necessarily recommend that. I'm noticing, like I track everything. The people that join through those groups in Facebook, they're not really active buyers. They're looking for free stuff. They're really looking for make money quick programs. They're not looking for sustainable business. A lot of people, they're not businesses, because the people that are actually doing business, They're not in Facebook. They're doing it through YouTube. They're doing it through Twitter is a great one. They're doing it through TikTok. They're doing it through Instagram. They're not doing it through Facebook because the people on Facebook, they don't really. I'm not saying that all. You can have had some very good sales from Facebook, but overall, they're generally not an active way to promote. So, other free traffic ways are creating YouTube videos. If you don't want to make a YouTube video, watch I think it's Vertex. It'll be right here. Watch my review on Vertex. It shows you how to make videos without even putting your face or your voice or anything. You can make. They're already pre-made viral videos. You can put them up. But overall, so free traffic. There's lots of other ways. Don't recommend Facebook. But if you do want to promote in there, I can show you some really tricky ways, really cool ways to do it. Now, the other way to get traffic is to buy traffic. And yes, you can buy some. If you've been on Facebook for a while, you've probably been approached by some very beautiful girls that are promising really good solo ads. Those are crap, guys. Those are just crap solo ads. Sorry if you're at that solo ad provider. I'm not going to say the name, seller, but they're crap. I recommend, I'm going to put my number one traffic source down there. Now, the leads are not cheap, right? They're not cheap. But with this program, you're getting like it's crazy. You're getting about what was the numbers he was going through? It's phenomenal. I just started doing it, so I don't have numbers to show you guys yet. But I know it's going to be very lucrative because I've seen these programs before and I've promoted something similar in the past and it did very well, except it wasn't as evergreen as this, so it sort of fell apart. But even if you're spending $1 a lead, the return is something like it turns out to be about $8 a lead on the return because it's a high ticket item, right? So you want to buy really good traffic. You don't want to buy crap traffic because then you're just putting in crap traffic into a system. So I highly recommend doing it like, yes, you can use Facebook and YouTube and Twitter and stuff, but buy some traffic, guys. Have some traffic going to that page because what you want high quality traffic so that they're on your list. If you're on my list, you're going to be getting an email from me daily and I'll be promoting different products. I'll be promoting a JVZoo products, Warrior Plus products, and ClickBank products, and some really evergreen training programs. That's what I promote in my daily emails. I'll just be like, hey, this is what's going on. Click here, and you'll do it. If you follow my lead, if you kind of copy what I'm doing, you will have success because I'm having success with it. So you will have success with it. So that's what you want to be doing. But the first step is go down here, click the affiliate profit pages link, go there and watch that webinar because it's really important for you to understand what it is you're going to be selling, and you're going to have the aha moment because you're going to go, and then you need to message me and I will get you an affiliate link for it and I will show you how to set it up and I will help you set it up on the pages so that when you send like traffic to that affiliate page that I'm showing you what to send it to, because if you just send it directly to the webinar, you're not going to be building a list, right? You don't want to do that. You need to be building lists. So I'm giving you a really high converting page, and on the next page is a subtle like unannounced bonus. Click here to watch the webinar, right? It works, guys. It works. And then what you're going to do, if you already have a list or you're building a list, you're going to send out an email to your list like going, hey guys, I just got you access to this killer webinar. You need to get on here and watch this, right? And you want to send that, then if they're on your list, you want to send them directly to the webinar so that they'll convert into a sale for you there. So that's what I've got for you today. So this is how to make $800 per sale. And if you really get to work and you make 5 sales in your first month, you can put that up to $1,200 per sale. So that is very, very cool. And you will get all the details on how to do it from me. And I will show you exactly what to do. You just need to message me. Don't be afraid to message me. Send me a message. We can jump on Zoom. We can jump on Skype. I will jump into your back office if you need help on setting up an Aweber account, on how to do it. I know some people are saying, oh, well, Aweber, you've got the double opt-in. You can't get out of it. No, there's a way around it, guys. Even on a brand new account, you can get around that by using the actual form and putting in the form and using tags and that way you can get around the double opt-in. So, and that's in another video, but I'll show you that later on. Anyways, go down below, click the link, go watch the webinar. That's the first thing you need to do, guys, because you have to understand the mentality and listen to how Richard does the webinar, because he is a master at sales, because he's not selling. He's just doing this great describing webinar, and you will be very, very impressed, and you'll want to promote this, because if you have a list, you want to give your list something very valuable. And if you're looking for something that's going to work, what he's offering is a massive, massive deal, guys. It is a huge deal. So it's something that you might want to consider doing as well. And if you do it, then you're able to promote it as well. And you're able to promote 10 other products that are all connected, that he's connected for you and does all the work for you. So that's it, guys. I hope this has been helpful for you. Again, this is how, let me make sure I get my talking points in here. This is how to get $800 per sale. Copy and paste, because all you're going to be doing, guys, is copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste your way to $800 per sale. And hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to ring the bell, and I'll see you on the next one.